Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a nail addict haul. So they were kind enough to send me their new spring collection. Look at how pretty these are. So excited to dive into them. If you watched my PR haul, I may have already opened a couple, just saying. So let's swatch these bad boys. All right, sun is back, which actually is the perfect thing to say right now here in Georgia because it was rainy for the last couple days, but it is sunny today. Okay, so this is a nice thin consistency and still smells like bubblegum. Super pretty. I think there might be slight silver flecks in this. All right, next up is Pinot Noir. Turn that brightness up. And this one is the one that had those gold flecks in it. Okay, so this reminds me, you guys know I compare every single color that is like this color to Lincoln Park After Dark. So excited. This one has that gold flecks in it, which I'm thinking this will be perfect for fall. Next up is Sugar Magnolia. Ooh, okay. So interesting thing about me is I love a nice cool pink. So this is a nice kind of, this is what I would think of as a baby dusty pink. So instead of it being, or maybe a peach, this might be actually better as a peach, not a pink. I don't know why pink was stuck in my head, maybe because it's peach. It's a dusty peach color. Super pretty, super creamy too. All right, less is more. This looks like a baby pink for, now I'm actually getting the colors right, with a pearl. Okay, I'm excited for this one. Yes. This pearl is so pretty. I don't know. There we go. All right, Naked and Famous, which this might remind me of that LE color. This might be a little bit more beige. Yeah, this is slightly more beige than the one I was thinking of. Last but not least, we have Magnets, which is a nice chunky silver. Actually could wear it now. And I will be doing 2 coats on all of these. Hopefully you guys can see that. All right, so first up we have Less is More. I don't have anything in my gel polishes that even remotely look like it. This one is the only other pearl finish, which is Madam Glam. I got it from my mama, but they are 2 completely different shades, and this has more of a glitter. We have Sugar Magnolia. Again, I don't have anything over in the purpley kind of nude colors. And then on the side of nude colors, I don't have anything, and I don't have anything in the pinks either, as you saw earlier. While we're on the nude side, I figured I would pull this out. This is Madam Glam Creme Brulee. Again, that's just gonna slide right in there. That would actually be a really pretty ombre. I don't have like any glitters and gel polish, so Magnets isn't gonna be anywhere except for in between there. And then we have Sun is Back. This is the Ugly Duckling 42, which is a little bit thicker. This is more like a very, very fine. Sun is Back is a much finer glitter. Pulling out the purples. So this is Ugly Duckling 41 or 141. This is Lincoln Park After Dark, which Here it looks drastically different, but when you do one coat of Lincoln Park After Dark, it has a very clear undertone, exactly like this. I wanna pull out a couple colors from Light Elegance. So these are hard gels, so you guys can see, maybe compare it to. So this is Main Attraction, might help if I can read, which also has a shimmer, but it's not a gold shimmer. This is Bougie Babe. And the rest don't even kind of compare. This is Mandarin and Moscow. These get a little bit more red. This is Fast Lane. So yeah, good colors for me. So you can see the matte here, and then the glossy. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget I do have a discount code with Nail Addict. It is Vanessa45 for 45% off, and I will have that linked below for you guys. And thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.